So it's been 2 years since I've been taking the Thentic supplements. In those 2 years, it's been helping me a lot to improve my energy levels and my strength for Jiu Jitsu. I am a competitor for Brazilian Jiu Jitsu and I compete often, so I'm going to need the extra help for 6 times a week training, plus of that, strength conditioning. So I really recommend this company for all people who work out and athletes out there. Check out this video, guys.